Hey, welcome to Funky Art Vibes. Today, my voice does not match up because my audio decided not to record when I did it on my camera. But today, we are going to do a face paint by one of y'all's. We are going to do a face paint by Your Blue Friend 8. And this is the lovely, lovely palette that we have and what we're working with today. I decided to add a heart to it to make it a little Valentine's-y. So I'm gonna be a sad clown with a heart face today. So that's what we're gonna try. Let's get started. I'm gonna go in with the white clown base for the Mehron makeup, and I'm gonna be using the Athena face palette as well. So I'm gonna pull my hair back and paint whatever I can because I have no idea what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just painting. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna glue down my eyebrows, and then once I have my eyebrows glued down, I'm gonna map out my heart. So this is what I'm doing. I'm putting down my I can't talk. I'm putting down my dots so that way I can map out my heart, and then hopefully if I get it even, I got it even in this shot. I don't know why I'm saying that. Hopefully if I get it even, then I can blend in the white and get started. Now y'all, this white is so hard to get even. And maybe because I don't have a blender, but it was so hard to get even. I had to do about 2.5 coats after I started because you see how it's going on. You see how it is. But yeah, after about 2.5 coats, it started to look a whole lot better. And I felt a lot happier going in with what I needed to. So once I got all the white laid down, I started in with the red, and then I just started going in by color block on each part of my eye. For the teardrops, I just went in with some light blue and mapped out the tears. It was pretty easy. You just do a teardrop shape, and then I went in later and added some dark blue. I had a brain fart. I added some dark blue undertones to it to make it stick out more. I'm finishing up my nose right now, and I'm gonna do the reveal. I didn't mean to come in and scare y'all, but I'm finishing up my nose and we're gonna do the reveal because we're finished up with this look. And here we go. We have the sad clown look. I like it, but I need to get better at laying down the white. I need to get better at laying down the white base. And I was about to start another transition, but I'm gonna be doing another look. I'm just gonna blend this into another heart look, so stay tuned. Just watch. Stay with me. Watch. It's gonna be really pretty. And I'm gonna go in with some red at the bottom and just blend it up into the white. So I hope you just enjoy. Just watch it. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, midway through the look, I was like, I should have probably just started over, but no, we're here now. We gotta blend this in. I'm trying to go for a pink galaxy look. That's what I wanted to do. So I thought blending the purple and the blue into the pink would be easy. And then maybe I could go in and add some shadows later. So I went in with some bright pink, and that actually started blending in a lot better than I thought it would. And I just started blending it in as best as I could to get it out and trying to make it look like it was going from dark to light for the galaxy. And you'll see me go in later with some other colors to add the clouds and the stars. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just painting. Around this time, I thought I looked like a fleshy monster, so I was like, oh my gosh, I need to fix this. We have to fix this. There's something that I have to do to not make it look like my face is peeling off. I need to look like a heart, like lovey. It looks crazy. So I tried to go in with the stars and I messed up a little bit. I got this one right, but with the next one, I was like, nah, I need to go in with the brushes. So I went in with a little bit of my, I messed up there. It's all right. Mistakes happen and we can fix them. But yeah, I went in with my purple paint and I just dabbed it to try and create the cloud effect, and just dab. You'll see. So as you can see, I got more of the purple in for the cloud effect, and I added some white undertone into it so that way it would have a highlight and just pop out more. I have no idea what words I'm using. I'm just painting. But yeah, it looks more like clouds, and I'm trying to match up the other side of my face to make it look like more galaxy clouds. It's coming together. It's coming together. Now you know the clouds have to have a nice white highlight just to pop a little bit. Yeah, it was right here that my eye was watering, and my eye doesn't normally water until I start doing makeup or paint on my face. I don't know why, but yeah, that part of my eye, it's just messed up for the rest of the video. I couldn't fix it because I had used barrier spray on my face earlier, so that the latex part had stuck. So it was just peeling. It was just peeling. I'm adding in the final details to make it look more like a galaxy, and as y'all can tell, look, I'm a pretty pink galaxy, can't y'all tell? Okay, it's amazing. And I'm gonna put in some glamour shots at the end of the video right about now. Yeah, I had so much fun doing the pink galaxy look and the sad clown look from your blue friend number 8. Thank you so much for sending me that look. If y'all want me to do a look that you have in mind, please be sure to reach out to me at Funky Art Vibes on all platforms, mostly on Instagram, but also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below and let me know what you think of the video. And I'll see y'all next time. Much love, peace, happiness, and just enjoy your day. Peace.